Hello. As it is in life, sometimes we find ourselves in dire straits. One guy here in Montreal must downsize and move from his house with a workshop to an apartment building. The time is running out, and he has a lot of tools that he cannot take with him. He has a lot of construction tools, but there are some in carpentry. So I bought from him mostly unused tools. Cheap. 3 cases. I will open later. 5-inch Bosch grinder. Hardly ever used. Metal sheet scissors by Makita. Old, used, but in working condition. And a router table. I pulled it out of the box and assembled it. The first case contains in the outer storage some bits. A wrench, grinding stones, and brushes. A multi-tool. This is the Canadian Tire brand, and it is probably made by the same company as the Craftsman rotary cutting tool. Here we have a motor that powers all attachments, with lights. Inserts can be replaced according to bit size. Attachment for cutting circles in drywall or plywood. This part goes on here somehow to attach the motor and set the cut depth. A handle. Can I handle this? Here is another attachment to make any form cuts in drywall. This attachment converts the motor to a router. Loosening handles, we can make it a plunge router. Here is the depth adjustment screw. We can make cuts at an angle. A guide. It goes into the base here. Flex cutting attachment. With LED light. Probably I will use this one the most. Here is also a grinder attachment. No use for me. It would be difficult to find replacement discs. Owner's manual. But as the real man, I will not read it. The second case. An angle grinder. Handle. Five-inch disc. Instructions. The key. The plastic on this grinder is sticky. I need to take care of it and clean it. New, never used. The last case. Storage box. Inside we have a router. 11 amps. Regulated speed. And here is just the motor. Fixed attachment with depth regulation. The second plunge base. This one will accept my bits. This set was not included. The guide, a vacuum attachment. I paid 30 Canadian dollars for this router set. New router table, just $20 Canadian. It's like $5 US. Different size covers. In general, I'm happy with this purchase. This is life. Somebody kicks the bucket or must downsize, and others take advantage of a cheap cleanup sale. Till next time.